How to download and install Java JDK 17 on Windows 11. JDK 17 Java JDK 17 is the latest version of Java, and it is long-term supported version. So first you have to visit the Oracle website, oracle.com/java/technology/downloads. Here you will find the link of latest Java JDK. We are going to download the Windows installer for Windows 11. So click here. Now the download is in progress. Once the download is finished, we can click on the exe file and the installer will start installing on the Windows 11. So this is the easiest method to install Java JDK 17 on Windows 11. For Windows, you can download the exe file and then execute the exe file to install Java JDK on your Windows 11 computer. So download is finished now, and we can either open the file or we can just click on the here. Now installer is going to download JDK Java JDK 17.0.1 on Windows. Click next. So this is the path where the Java will be installed. So you copy this path. So later we will use this path to create the Java home variable. Java home variable and then set the path into the system variable. You can also change the Java JDK installation location, but for my installation I will keep the default one. Click OK, then click next. Now the installer is started and it is copying the file and installing the Java JDK 17 on our machine. So the installation is completed and we can close. So the next step is to set the environment variables. So in Windows 11 you click here, then search for environment variables. So this is edit environment variables. So this window is open. Now we will go to the environment variables setting, and here the Java home variable is already defined. So if it is not defined in your case, then you can always create new, then Java underscore home and paste this path, installation path. Click OK. So Java home is here. Now we have to set the path variable as well. So select the path and click on edit. So this is hard coded one. I can delete here. I will use Java home to set the path. So I will click new, then percentage Java underscore home percentage, then slash bin. Now the bin path is in the system path, and our executable Java executable will be available on the console. So we can go to the CMD and type Java hyphen version. So it is Java 17.0.1 that we just installed. Now you can also check the Java C version. So this is also 17.0.1. Now we will create a simple program and then use the Java C Java compiler to compile the program and Java to execute the program. CG examples and notepad hello world.java. So we are going to open the notepad, and in the notepad we will be creating a new file called hello world.java and write the code there. So this notepad is not able to find the hello world.java, so it is asked for creating a new one. So I clicked yes and it is created a new file. So this is the simple Java file, Java code that simply prints the message on the console. So Java class hello world, then public static void main string args, and here we are using system.out.println method to print the message welcome to rosindia.net. So next step is to compile the program. If I dir, if I do a dir, it will list this hello world.java. So now I'm going to compile this Java C hello world Java. So it is compiled now. Again, if I dir, I will see there is another file hello world.class. So this hello world.class is created by the Java compiler. So Java compiler compiled hello world.java and created a file called hello world.class, which is a bytecode. Java C. Sorry, to execute Java, you have to type hello world, and it printed the message welcome to Rose India on the console. So in this tutorial we learned how to install Java 17 on Windows 11, then write a simple program, compile it and test from the console. So if you are planning to learn Java, you can visit our website roseindia.net/java, and here you will find thousands of tutorials in Java programming language. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.